Take a ride in the 2021 Compass. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power liftgate, keyless entry, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, heated front seats, trip computer, compass, clock, fog lights, brake assist. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.